Today's Saturday, January 20th, 2024. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, near the site of the new BUC-EE'S location. And we're here to bring you an update. We last did a video in November 2023. And today, 2 months later, I'll show you what's new, which isn't a whole lot. We noticed what looks like there could be some survey flags out in that field. Not sure if they were there the last time we were here or not. We don't think they were.
I don't think, because they're kind of prominent when you look at the field. You can see them.
So that's a change. And also the Mexican food trailer that was in the old gas station, it's not here now. Now that could be because it's
cold.
15 degrees outside and snow, or it could be that they're just not going to be there anymore. That we're not sure of. But
it's probably a seasonal business. It only goes so far into the year.
So even though there's not much to report, we just want to bring you an update. Like I said, whenever they get started, hopefully we can get down here and get some drone footage and kind of show you the progress all the way up till the grand opening. But right now, no news.
I haven't seen nothing on the internet, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, it's been awful quiet, so just wanted to bring you a quick update, even though there's not much to report, just to keep the series going.
And there are some flags, so that is a little progress.
So now you've seen the field
with snow.
With snow. That'll do it.
See you down the road.
It has been reported that the interchange on Interstate 70, where the BUC-EE'S will be located, will be redone to accommodate the increase in traffic. We captured this footage of what this interchange looks like today so we can compare it to what it will look like after the new BUC-EE'S opens.